Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I will guide you how you can find your username. First of all, click on Facebook application, make sure you are logged in and also make sure you are using the updated version. Now click on this menu. Now slide down. So this is your profile. This is your profile link. www.facebook.com oblique this spellbinder11. This is their username. So this is the way to find your username. And I will tell you another way, another quick way. First of all, go back, go to home page. Now click on this menu, click on this gear button. Now click on account center, click on your profile. Again, select your profile. Now click on username. And here you can see your username and also you can edit your username if you want to change your username. So I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, then click on like button and I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.